Udio AI review. Let's get started. So what is Udio? Udio is a web and mobile AI music generator offering text to music with vocals, lyrics, stems, remix tools, and editing features. It's built by ex-Google DeepMind researchers and it's available in free, in standard mode, and pro mode. And let's talk about its pros. So it offers a strong vocal realism. So many users say that Udio's voices are incredibly lifelike with emotional intonations. So if you want to listen, here's what you can listen right here. Listen- Yeah, they have a lot of songs that included. Including this one right here. As you can see, they are really lifelike music. They also have a user-friendly customizable UI, and they have a lot of fast prototyping, a generous free tier, and a powerful feature set. The only downsides are though the audio quality issues. So many users report aliasing, low fidelity, and robotic vocals. They also have output inconsistency, so the validity of the quality may vary. And they also have a credit model which may cost more. And they simply have a lot of bugs. So in conclusion, is it legit? Well, yes, Udio is a real-world working AI music tool built by credible experts. But is it worth it? Well, it's great for musicians, podcasters, creators seeking fast songwriting ideas, but it's not ideal for final production tracks, expect artifacts, and inconsistent vocals and mastering issues.